Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I am talking about Etsyomatic plugin, the Etsy affiliate automatic post generator that I created. So this plugin was recently updated to work with Etsy with free API. So this is the API they released in 2022, and the old version of their API will be deprecated soon. So because of this, I updated the plugin and I have some updates to tell you about this new version. So if you update the plugin to version 1.0.4, so in logs here down on the bottom, you will see that this version released recently and adds support to the free API of Etsy. So be sure to create your new app at Etsy like I show you in this video. So give it a name, Etsy app with free, description, okay, website optional, but you have access to seller tools here, myself and colleagues, no, it is not commercial, and this can be left unchecked. I'm not a robot, and scroll down to the bottom, create app. Now you will be able to create your app. This is the name, key string and secret. So copy the key string and paste it in the Etsy API key string settings. So before you can use it, and this is why I'm showing you guys this, before this you need to get approved. So this status here is pending approval, so they can approve your app in 1 to 3 working days. So be patient and wait for this status to change to approved, and after here you will see approved. You will be able to use the Etsy API key in the Etsyomatic plugin. So while you are waiting approval, the plugin will not be able to work with this key string. So because of this, after you create your Etsy API key, wait until they approve you. Okay, so this is all in this video. I just wanted to tell that the Etsyomatic plugin is updated and working with the latest Etsy API version, which will be working for many years from now on, and it's the latest version right now. So yeah, and also don't forget to get approved before using your API key. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye bye.